This strange phenomenon is called cold welding. Unlike normal welding, it doesn't require flames, sparks, or extreme heat. In the vacuum of space, metal surfaces can behave very differently. Under the right conditions, two extremely clean surfaces can form a powerful bond when they touch. This strange phenomenon is called cold welding. Unlike normal welding, it doesn't require flames, sparks, or extreme heat. On Earth, metal surfaces are usually covered by thin layers of oxides and contaminants. These layers help prevent the metals from bonding directly. But in a high vacuum, those protective layers can be absent or disrupted. Clean metal surfaces can come into much closer contact. Now zoom in. What looks like two solid pieces of metal is actually a huge landscape of atoms, electrons, and microscopic imperfections. When exceptionally clean surfaces meet closely enough, atoms from each side can interact and form metallic bonds across the boundary. The boundary between the surfaces can become difficult to distinguish. In effect, two separate pieces can become bonded as one at their contact point. For spacecraft, this can become a serious engineering challenge. Moving parts must remain reliable, even after years in the harsh environment of space. Engineers use protective coatings, careful material choices, and specialized designs to reduce unwanted metal-to-metal contact and prevent problems. So could a piece of metal actually trap an astronaut? Not simply by touching it, but under the right conditions, unwanted bonding can create very real mechanical problems. Space is full of invisible physics we can't see. What other strange things could happen out there? Subscribe to Open Mind and keep exploring.